and designed in Ukraine. Kyiv Special Laboratory. This generator, HHO generator, very similar to Kремтона or Stanley Meyer HHO cell. Into this generator is water, tap water, clean water. In our next etap, maybe it will be not water. Until now, this HHO cell is prepared during about 2 months. Inner tube, please look, plated, silver plated, special material, color, silver color. Next, our stage etap, we will increase volts, probably 220 volts and 5 amperes in nearest future. Hope our system will generate about 5 meters per 1 hour. See you!